Hey little artist! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute telephone. Are you ready? Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Start with the receiver. Draw a big curved shape at the top like a rainbow. On the receiver, add 2 sleepy eyes with tiny eyelashes. Attach 2 short vertical lines to connect it to the phone base. Make a big triangle shape with rounded edges. This is the base of our phone. At the bottom, draw a small rectangle with curved corners. This will make our phone look even cuter. Let's add a curly wire on one side. Just draw a fun, squiggly line. In the center of the base, draw a big circle. Inside that, draw another small circle. Let's also draw the little rotating pointer. This makes it look like a real vintage phone. Now, add tiny circles around the small circle. These are the dial holes. Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Wow! Our telephone looks amazing! Now it's time to color. Let's bring out our rainbow colors. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Yay! Blue color. Purple color. Great work, little artists! You did such a great job! If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.